We have a chicken that is absolutely crazy. It thinks I'm its mummy, and it follows me everywhere. I don't know where it is right now, but it's close. I can hear it. Don't lay an egg up there. No, you're too young for that. Well, don't take a poop up there. What are you doing? She sits on my legs and she sits on the kid's shoulders and she works with the Myanmar people to help them tile. She's just amazing. I've never seen a chicken like this before. Maybe they're all like this. Maybe they all have real characters. And there could be great pets. Are you a good pet? Huh? Mm-hmm. Okay, get off. Come on, get off. Go on, get off. Get off. Now you're on my arm. You're funny. And look at that. Cat right there. Doesn't care. Or maybe that's why she's on top of me. She's scared of that cat. Look at the way that cat is looking at that bird. Are you scared? Are you scared you're going to get eaten by that cat? Okay, come on, get on. Go on. Go on here. Come on, get off of me. Get off of me. Okay, there. That's better. I'm pretty poo my head. Anyways, life in Thailand is different than anywhere else in the world. Even the animals are different.